Elearn Mentor makes you expert.
Hello viewers, welcome to Elearn Mentor. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to log sale and whole workbook. So first of all we take some data like invoice here. In this invoice we'd like to log these sales. Okay, we'd like to just these sales, these sales. So if I see this sale, for example format sale and protection, here we can see the sale is logged. Okay, then if we see this sale, this is also logged. That means whole work, all sales of this worksheet is logged. So how it works actually to log the sales? Actually, first of all, to log these specific sales, we have to, first of all we have to differentiate the sales between those sales we want to log and those sales we do not want to log. So first of all, we will select the whole worksheet and we will unlock the whole sales and okay, then we will this selected sales those we actually want to log. Then we'll go to sales, format sales, then protection and logged. But it is not done. Actually it is not done yet, as we can see that we can edit the sales. But when it will work, when you will just go to review and protect the whole sheet. Then just if you enter a password, okay, then okay, then again re-enter the password. Okay, now hopefully it will work now. If I write anything, but I can't do it as okay, but here if I want to edit anything, product, but I can do. Okay, only these cells I cannot edit. Okay, so here it is the process to log any sales in your worksheet, and then we will see how to log a whole workbook. Okay, this is also protected. Okay, here we can here we can add new sheet. But when we will protect the whole workbook and enter a password again, but we cannot add new sheet or delete existing any sheet. Okay, so it is done. So however, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for future video. So thanks to all.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.